Hi guys, welcome to Be Thrifty 2. My name is Jasenia. Today we are going to redecorate my living room for the holidays. But isn't it too soon for that, Jasenia? You ask. No, it's never too soon. Everyone knows you gotta jump right into it the day after Halloween, guys. Or maybe it is too soon, but we're gonna do it anyway. I'm starting by clearing out this corner where I'm going to place the Christmas tree. We're going to build it piece by piece. I've had this tree for a few years and it was given to me by my mother-in-law, so it was free. It's a bit thin, so we're going to fluff it up and give it some more volume. Next, we're going to finish him off with a few ornaments. And that's it. This tree came with lights on it already, so it's perfect. Next, we are going to set a simple but elegant tablescape. I got this linen tablecloth at Walmart. I was looking for something different, so I got it in the exact same color of the tabletop, except it's linen. You know, different. I did have a garland to decorate this table with, but it is still packed away somewhere in a box. So I'm going to use these glass vessels, which I've thrifted over time, and now I think I have a nice collection. This one has a nice brass detail here, or it could be rust, I don't know. I'm going to make an arrangement on the table, and then later on I'm going to add some candles. Now I'm going to place these chargers. These are from the Dollar Tree. I got them last year, and they were red, but I sprayed them black to match my color scheme this year. Then I'm going to add these white plates on top. Next, we're going to add these linen napkins. I wanted to fold them into a more elegant shape, but after 20 minutes of folding, all I got was this burrito. I am going to add pockets for my utensils. This ribbon came with the tablecloth. I cut it into 4 pieces, but each piece is too short for what I need. So I'm going to use this paper towel roll to make the ribbons longer. I just cut it into the size that I need and hot glue the ends together. Then we're going to slip them on like so. I had glued a few faux greenery together like this to bring in the green from the other side of the room. Now it's time for lights. I'm bringing in the candles to place in my glass collection. These are a bit too tall, so I have to cut them down.
I'm ready to die.
He's so dramatic. Let's light them up. Looks good, I think. Next, we're going to switch out the sofa pillows from this rusty orange to a mossy green and this snowy white. I love the texture on these pillows. We're going to continue decorating the entryway table. I'm bringing in a stack of thrifted books over to this corner. And I'm using them to give my vase some height. I'm going to place the smaller one lower for visual interest. Next, we're going to add a few florals from Hobby Lobby. These were 70% off. And I want a nice full arrangement of green and pop of white to reflect the Christmas tree at the other side of the room. I'm placing this thrifted gold tree next to the lamp. It's actually made of clear glass and I just spray painted it gold. It turned out really nice, I think. I'm gonna hide this vent with this basket and some pillows. And the lamp cord I will cover up with this basket. It holds some very cozy blankets. And here's how it looks. Over here on the TV cabinet, I'm awkwardly placing this gold lamp. I've had this lamp for about 15 years and it's been painted about 5 or 6 times. And this time I've painted it gold. I'm placing some more books. I've covered these in black and white construction paper for a more uniform look. And I topped it off with a bowl full of fragrant pine cones. I'm also adding this plant that I got from Lowe's during my last Shop With Me video. I'll link it up here in case you missed it. I thought about swapping the painting above for a more wintry scene. I'm recycling this canvas I painted last summer and I'm creating a new painting using only spray paint in gold, white, and black. I really like how it turned out, but it felt a little too cold for me. So let me know what you guys think. Which painting would you have kept on the wall? The one with the girls on the hammock or the wintry scene that I just created? I didn't forget the coffee table. I kept it simple with a set of necessary marble coasters and 2 DIY Lotus LED candle holders. I'll link that video up here in case you want to know how I made these. They sit on this thrifted metal tray, which I spray painted. You guessed it, gold. So here's how the room turned out. I think I'm ready for the holidays. This video was supposed to be part of the Celebrate the Holidays collaboration with Bargain Bluebird and Creative DIY with Mom, which was posted last week, but I did not make it to the playlist on time. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Let's keep being thrifty together. Bye!